Adjectives in the English language are generally placed before the verbs that qualify, but in French language, they can go either before or after. For example, a beautiful clock is said as une belle horloge, while a green clock becomes une horloge verte. Also, a nice car is une belle voiture, while a charming lady is une dame charmante. So although the English language consistently places the adjective before the noun, we see that in French it can come either before or after the noun. So how does it work? Is there a rule to this? Let's find out. Hello, FeyiFrench here, and this channel is all about learning French with ease. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and tap on the notification bell so that you're made aware whenever a new video is released here. So what's the rule governing the positioning of adjectives in the French language? First and foremost, it is to be noted that most adjectives in French come after the nouns they are describing. For example, un élève intelligent, un élève intelligent, an intelligent pupil. Un endroit paisible, un endroit paisible, a peaceful place. Une histoire drôle, une histoire drôle, a funny story. Basically, that is the rule. That is how it works in French. Place the adjective after the noun it is qualifying. But hey, as a student of the French language, you should always know to ask for exceptions whenever you're given any rule. Because yes, there are almost always exceptions to every rule in the French language. So what are the exceptions here? Let's look at them. Exception number 1. Short, very common adjectives that are most likely the first ones that come to your mind when you hear the word adjective are placed before the noun in French language. In that number, we have belle, meaning beautiful, beau, meaning beautiful or handsome, grand, meaning big or tall, petit, meaning little, bon, meaning good, joli, meaning pretty, super, meaning great, mauvais, meaning bad, meilleur, meaning better, jeune, meaning young, vieux, meaning old, faux, meaning false, gros, meaning fat, haut, meaning high, nouveau, meaning new, long, meaning long, court, meaning short, premier, meaning first, deuxième, meaning second, bref, meaning brief, vaste, meaning vast. To help students remember the adjectives that fall in this category, French teachers have come up with the acronym BANGS, B-A-N-G-S. BANGS stands for beauty, age, number, goodness, and size. So for the adjectives we just saw, notice that belle and beau fall under the beauty category, vieux and jeune fall under the age, premier and deuxième fall under the numbers, bon and mauvais fall under the goodness, grand and petit fall under the size. Note, however, that not all adjectives describing any one of these 5 characteristics come before the noun. For example, laid, meaning ugly, falls under beauty, but we do not say une laide voiture, rather we say une voiture laide. Also, âgé, meaning aged, falls under the age category, but we do not say un âgé homme, rather we say un homme âgé. Gigantesque, meaning gigantic, falls under the size category, but we do not say un gigantesque arbre, instead we say un arbre gigantesque. Méchant, meaning mean, falls under the goodness category, but we do not say un méchant chat, instead we say un chat méchant. Interesting, right? Now to exception number 2. Some adjectives used to praise or show admiration can go either before or after the noun they are qualifying. Examples are incroyable, meaning incredible, formidable, meaning great, fantastique, meaning fantastic, remarquable, meaning remarkable. Therefore, an incredible story can be said either as une histoire incroyable or une incroyable histoire. Now to exception number 3. A handful of French adjectives can go either before or after the nouns they are qualifying, but with a change in meaning. For example, cher means dear before a noun and expensive after. Ancien means former before a noun and antique or old after. Propre means own before a noun and clean after. Pauvre means poor, that is pitiful before a noun, but means poor, that is having no money after. Un cher enfant, a dear child. Une maison chère, an expensive house. If you do not understand why the cher of the first sentence is different from the cher in the second sentence, kindly refer to my previous lesson on the French adjectives that can be found in the French vocabulary playlist. Un ancien château is a former castle. Maybe we have a hotel there now. But un château ancien means an antique or an old castle. Mon propre fils means my own son. Ma chemise propre means my clean shirt. Le pauvre homme means the poor man, that is the pitiful man. L'homme pauvre means the poor man, that means having no money. As a summary, most adjectives come after the nouns they are describing in the French language. Very common adjectives under the banks category, such as belle, vieux, premier, bon, and petit, come before the noun they are qualifying. Some adjectives used to praise or show admiration can come either before or after the noun. The meaning doesn't change. Examples are formidable, incroyable, while some other adjectives can come either before or after the noun but with a change in meaning. In this number we find propre, ancien, cher, and pauvre. Now to the question of the day. Position the adjectives correctly. Drop your answers in the comment section. That's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a like if you did enjoy it, and see you in the next video. Au revoir. Ciao.